If you have lost your Android phone, you don't have to worry. Here's how you can find it fast, even if it's on silent. For that, you have to open any browser on any device which you have. For that, you can use phone, tablet, or PC, whatever device access you have right now. And you have to open a browser and search for google.com/android find. And here you have to sign in to your linked Google account which you have logged in on your lost device. And once you are in, you will see a map with your phone's last known location. You will also get three powerful options like playing a sound, securing your device, or erase device data. If you click on play the sound, your phone will ring for 5 minutes even if it's on silent mode. If you click on secure device, it will lock it remotely with a custom message on the screen. And if you want to erase data which you can't recover it later and wipe all data, you can always tap on erase device. And if you don't have browser access, you can always use another phone to install Find My App device from Play Store. From there you will see the similar option, but the main accessing point will be the application. And for extra tips, make sure location and find my device are always turned on your devices, so whenever you lose them you can access them easily later. If your phone is offline, you will still see its last location when it was connected, and once it turned back on with internet access, it will update the location. And that's how you can track and protect your lost Android phone. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap on the bell icon for more tech videos like that.